Okay, here we are at CDOC, West Palm Beach. We're here with the 996 Special. What we did with this one is we found a great core 996 car, 2002, 83,000 miles originally. The car had no damage or any issues. What we decided to do was take the original equipped 3.6 liter engine out and expand that to 4 liters. We made a track day / street drivable special out of this great core car. Since the work was completed, this outstanding 4-liter car retained its naturally aspirated flat 6 engine. It was mated to the 6-speed manual transmission. We freshened everything up there. We have a lightweight clutch and flywheel, and we ended up taking this seal gray metallic car. It's got this two-tone gray interior. We complemented it with some safety equipment, O&P racing seats, belts, and the DOC Sport roll bar, and made a track day special out of it. Took the car completely apart, glass out, full strip and repaint of the seal gray paint, and the finish is just spectacular. We added the paint protection film, so that way when you do go to the track or you're on the highway, you don't get that unwanted chip. All new glass in the car. We have GT3 wheels on the car with the 235, 35/19 front tire, and then we have the 295, 30/19 rear tire. The wheels have the painted center caps and they have the black finish. The brakes, standard 996 C2. We've updated the brake pads with a Pagid RS29 yellow tile brake pad. It's a good combination street / track pad. Maybe a little squeaky on the street here and there. Drilled rotors front and rear. These are the Zimmerman drilled rotor with the coating on them for track driving, and couldn't ask for much more than that. Add a little SRF brake fluid and the brake pedal is ready to go. This special, we call it, is basically a streetable track day Porsche. So you can basically buy the car, street, track, air conditioning, windows up, windows down, helmet on the track. Pretty great combination. I find this color combination to be super desirable. With the manual transmission, the 4-liter engine, it has the black colored Schroth harnesses for both occupants, the satin black DOC Sport roll bar for the added safety, and a handheld fire bottle for mounted protection and passing tech. Ice cold factory air conditioning. We did an extraordinary thing on this with the refinishing. We executed it by the Porsche specialists at Automobile Associates in Canton, Connecticut, and had them take a total new approach to a 996 repair. All the glass came out, the car was completely repainted, everything went back together, fresh gaskets and seals, window at the windshield and rear window. We added some styling. So we have the ducktail rear spoiler on the car. Up front, we have the Ruf-style RGT bumper cover and retained the factory mirrors, but added the aero rockers on the car as well. Ties it all together front to rear. Getty did the rear ducktail. Love those guys out there, Mark and the team. We did the improved rear bumper cover and gives it like a sleek appearance, all cohesive. Looks like it's moving while it's standing still. The fully refinished body was allowed to kind of rest before the full front paint. Protection film was applied. We did the hood, fenders, bumper cover. We did an extended rear quarter. So what we did is we came up on the rear quarter from the rocker, raised that paint protection film up here to give it added protection if you do go to the track. Also on the leading edge of the rear bumper right here as well. One of the things we did for performance, we added the Tractive shock absorbers. The Tractive suspension is a semi-active suspension, the dampeners, and it has a control panel on the dash, 5 preset settings that you can change and program depending on your rebound and compression desires, and really just dial it in any way you want. So you can soften it up for the street, you can make it stiff for the track, all with the touch of a button on the touchscreen. One of the things that's unique about this car is the headlight lenses, parking light lenses, all that was restored and refinished and refurbished on the reassembly of the car. All the seals and gaskets, even the wiper arms were repainted. When we did the Tractive suspension, of course we did the monoball upper mounts and additional strut bracing from the rear roll bar across the shock towers in the back. Across the strut, we've got the cowl tied in with the top of the strut towers, and gives the car a lot of additional rigidity, which really helps on the track days. The 3.6 engine was converted out to the 4-liter using Molly's conversion kit. We used our friends at L&N Engineering for a lot of the bits and pieces to tie the whole thing together. They have a vast catalog of enhancement and performance enhancing bits and pieces, also to keep the motor safe. IMS bearing, all that stuff is all behind us with this particular refresh and rebuild. It's got a nice exhaust note, throaty feel, throaty sound. Up front, we did the 3 radiator setup, so we have this original equipped outer radiators, but added a center radiator as well for additional cooling for the track driving. Inside the car, it's got the AIM SmartyCam, so for data system, camera, all that sort of thing for your coaching experience. And you can share that online, you can share it with a pro coach and get the tips on what you're doing right and wrong on the track. Take a look inside. OMP racing seats, got the Hans Halo on the one side, passenger side, we've got the standard seat. We've got the Schroth harnesses, 6 points, and the DOS Sport roll bar. Kind of blends into the car, you barely notice it. It's all tucked away really stealthily. Power is transferred to the street via the original 6-speed transmission. It was fully serviced, including the axles, the clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, clutch disc, were all reassembled and freshened when the car was put back together. That's the way we turn them out here. Engine tuning was performed at the completion to measure base horsepower and torque, and we optimized the increased displacement of the engine to 4-liter displacement. Whew, that door shuts so nicely. Generally, we turn these out with 2 sets of wheels. It's got a second set of wheels in silver that can take the 18-inch racing tires. Currently displayed with the black wheels on the car in 19 for the street driving with the Michelin Pilot Sport Cups. The interior in this car, we go through and touch them all up, replace or refinish anything that needs to be done, so the car feels and looks as new as possible the day it was turned out in 2002 by Porsche. Let's pop the engine bay and have a look. What do you guys say? 996, not much to see in here. Real simple, real clean, and very factory. Engine cooling fan here, draws the hot air out. Up front, got a nice deep trunk well. Put your golf clubs up there. Pretty plain Jane. Took the spare tire toolkit out for track day use, and you know, that's just the way we roll. Ready for the track at any time. Now, those things are included with the car, and we turn them out with the spare tire and that sort of stuff, just in case, and to complete if you're going to take the car to concours or something. Still equipped with all its factory built stickers, and wow. Got composite front bumper cover, composite rear deck lid, just lightweight, fast, ready to serve. Whew, these things are so much fun to drive. The driver experience is one of these, it evokes a lot of emotions, right? You've got the sounds, you've got the stiffness, but you also have the comfort. You got the road feel. The car's in your hands, it's very light in your hands, easy to drive around town, but then you start to turn it up. With the variable torque steering, it ends up just really coming alive on the back roads, whether you're in an urban setting on an on-ramp or in the mountain setting, you know, in the Carolinas or what have you. So it's pretty great. I love these things. I had a 996 track car, 2001, back in the day, and I just love the way they are. These are really an underappreciated Porsche model. There's so much bang for the buck here. Such a great, well-built car. Looking back at these things now, 20 plus years later, it just really comes into appreciation for so many of us. So don't miss out on a 996. You know, don't turn your back on the one that you might have that may have failed and you need to do a refresh. Think about doing a special for yourself, or turnkey, buy this one, 4-liter CDOC special. Thanks so much.